better get going too. I'm gonna take this kite home and ask my dad to put some string on it. We'll walk with you, Tony. Okay. Bye-bye.
Sa naong siyang kudeta ng ilang opisyal ng militar, inilabas. Ngayon, ang detalye ng plano at mga sangkot na opisyal isisiwala.
We have today withdrawn our support from Mrs. Gloria Macapagal Arroyo in order to end her unconstitutional and illegal occupation of the presidency.
Bagong balita, 38 opisyal pinako-court martial dahil sa nabitong kudeta. Major General Renato Miranda hinamo ng AFP na siya na lang ang kasuhan.